Mitraya Namaha, welcome to VS Pithaneti channel Energy Circles, and today we are going to talk about how do we become peacefully successful. You know, these days success has become the mantra for everyone. Everyone talks about success. This is successful, this fellow is successful, that is success, this is success, money is not success, job is not success, success is not in cars, success is not in money, success is not in that, success is being happy. So I thought I should make a video on how do we become successfully happy or peacefully successful, like that. So ultimately we should be at peace. Whatever we are happy, but it doesn't mean that it makes us weak or it makes us dull and sober and think that okay, this is my life, I have to stay like this forever. No, it is, you have to be successful, you have to aim bigger things, to achieve bigger things. At the same time, you should be happy and content with whatever you have. So how do we become peacefully successful is the topic for today. So first is, do what you want. Okay, this is a half sentence, listen to me carefully. Do whatever you want, but in a rhythm. Do whatever you want in a rhythm. People generally want whatever they want to do that, but they are stuck up in something else. Suppose someone wants to become an actor, but their parents force them to study. Or you are in a job, you wanted to do business. So you, in your deep of your deep heart, you wanted to do something, but you know, you want to do something, but because of circumstances you are doing something else. So what I want you to do is, do whatever you want in a rhythm. That is, every day, night 8 to 8:15 or morning 6 to 6:30, put a time and practice whatever you want. Okay, so do whatever you want in a rhythm every day on that time, every day that time, every day that time. That will help you in achieving your goals or in achieving whatever you wanted to do in life, step by step. And once you set that rhythm, you will realize that whatever job you are doing right now or whatever position you are in right now will slowly move away, and your passion or whatever work you wanted to do will become your mainstream. Okay, so try this. Do whatever you want in a rhythm first. That is, every day, same time, you repeat what you want to become. Suppose you want to become a photographer. Suppose you want to become a businessman. Every day, morning 6 to 6:30 or 5 to 5:30 or night 9 to 9:30, put a time and do that regularly. Practice it or take some classes or start talking about it, whatever. Every day, half an hour you have to spend on what you want to do. Then you will become successful and you will be happy because you're doing all these years. You have given it some time, you have thought about it, you are doing it regularly. So that will help you in the long run to achieve success peacefully. This is one. Step 2, do what is important for your happiness, right? Most of the people misunderstand this. So suppose I want to be happy, I want to eat sweets. So you keep on eating sweets. No, the purpose of this sentence is, do what is important for your happiness in the long term. Suppose after 10 years you want to be in that position. Suppose after 10 years you don't want to get diabetes. Then but you like sweets. Do it slowly and do it in a limited way. Stop eating sugars, control now, because you are thinking about what is important for your happiness after 10 years or for your health in general. So do what is important for your happiness in the long run rather than what is giving you happiness now. This is the most important. That way you would become successful in controlling your body, in achieving good health in the long run. And at the same time you will be happy that you are in moderation, you are enjoying what is there with you, you are enjoying sweets in a moderation, you are doing things which will give you happiness in the long run. So that is very, very important to become peacefully successful. That is, do what is important for your happiness in the long run. The third, do what is right than what is that you want. What is that you want? You want to sleep. But what is right? You have to get up and do exercise. So do what is right rather than what is that you want. Suppose your wants are right, then you are very, very lucky. But suppose whatever you want is not right, then don't do that. Don't do that. Right? Next is do everything with full power. Whatever you are doing, it can be a job, it can be a spiritual practice, it can be your tapas, it can be your dhyanam, it can be your business, it can be a simple habit what you want to make. Whatever you wanted to do, whatever you are doing right now, do it with full power. There will be people who will pull you down, there will be people who will talk bad about you, there will be people who will look at you with your past and compare you, and then they will look you down. So there are people who think, who try to always put you down. But I'm telling you, do everything. Decide today. Whatever you are doing, do it with full power and potency. If you do that, I'm sure you will be successful. At the same time, because you are putting full effort in that, you will be peacefully successful. When I tell you to put all your energy or effort into that, that does not mean that you drain away your energy, you keep worrying about it. No, you put only your energy, not your worries. So there's a big differentiation there. If I say put all your energy into something, it is not that you become stressful, you shout at people. No, you put all your heart and soul energy into work, whatever you're doing. It is not about shouting on someone else, you becoming serious, you becoming like an angry man and working on. No, that is not power, that is distress. The power which I mean is, I want you to happily invest your strength into something, whatever you wanted to do. That is very, very important. Do everything with full power. Next, and the last point which I wanted to tell here is, to become peacefully successful, forget about the result and just focus on the journey and on the day what you're working on. People generally worry about the result. The more you think about the result, you will further steep down into worries, depressions and dullness, and slowly you may become successful, but you will lose your peace of mind. So I want you to remember this. Forget about the result and focus on your journey and focus on what makes you happy in a long run rather than in a short run. This is most important thing these days, because of the media or because of wrong publicity or because of wrong data. People say follow your passion. No, don't follow your passion now. Think on your passion, work on it for some time, give it a rhythm, do it in a rhythmic manner. Slowly you understand that what is more important to you, what is not important to you. Then when you get into that rhythm, that will become your mainstream. Then you can work for your long-term happiness rather than short-term gains. This is also most important. And do everything with full power and do what is right than what is that you want. Forget about the result and focus on your journey. So people may get confused here. So whatever I am doing, how can I stay without thinking about the result? So suppose if I am studying, I wanted to achieve this rank, okay, or I wanted to get this job, so I wanted to get that business deal. So you may have some, the result in mind. So people generally confused. So if I say leave the result part, that doesn't mean that you just go blindly towards whatever you're doing. You may have a goal at the end, you may have the result at the end, yes, but if you are too focused on the result, you will forget that the journey, the time what you are spending. Suppose I am a doctor. So if I want to become a doctor, and the 5 years which I studied, if I think of about, okay, I will become doctor, I will earn money, I will earn name and all, and stop working hard in this 5 years, then I will be a bad doctor for sure. Because I've worked severely hard in the 5 years, assuming to get a degree, a doctor degree, but I'm not worried about what if I don't get a doctor degree, what if I don't get a job. So stop worrying about the result and start working on the factors which you can control. The factors which you can control, if you can do that 100% to your best of your abilities, then I'm sure success will be yours. And because you worked hard for it, because you deserve that victory, the success will make you more humble, and success will give you happiness rather than stress. Suppose you wanted a quick result. Suppose you pay money and get a rank, or suppose you get these fake degrees. Suppose, because these things can happen. Suppose you do that, you may get success quickly, but you will end up in trouble. You will end up in deeper troubles after that. So what I'm trying to tell you is, think about the result, keep that result in mind, keep it aside, and start working what are the controllable factors to achieve that result. That's it. All you have to do is, whatever factors you are able to control, you have to work on them thoroughly. At the same time, stop worrying about the result, because if not this, something else would happen to you. But you will somehow get food and eat and sleep that day. But if you are worried about the result, you may become successful, but you will not be at peace. So to become peacefully successful, I want you to focus more on the journey, control the controllable factors, do 100% in whatever factors you are able to control, and leave the uncontrollables like the result, the decisions what others make, or the comments what people give you, or the someone else's opinions. Forget about that and start focusing on what I said. If you can do this, I'm sure you will be successful. I'm sure you will be peaceful, right? Hope this video gave you some insight, and in case you like it, please forward it to your friends, and please do subscribe to VSP 1080 channel. We're going to put you some more mantras, mudras, and some more corporate or logical information which you can amalgamate and use it for your day-to-day success, right? Hope this will help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Mitraya Namah.